In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can save transparent PNGs in Affinity Photo 2. So as you can see here, I have an image of a pencil brush with some paint. And here in the layers window, you can see that it is transparent. This is already cut out. But what if I now want to save this as a transparent PNG inside of Affinity Photo 2? You can go to File with this one selected, go to File, and to select the thing, you can choose your selection or move tool here, and then just click it. Go to File and then choose Export. And here in Export, as you can see now, we have a big white square around our PNG. So if we would now say to export it as a PNG, we will have this white square, so it won't be transparent. What you can do is then go to Area, and you have two options here. If you select Selection Area, we still have a much smaller, but we have a white square around our paintbrushes. So this won't be a transparent PNG either. In this area, when you choose Selection Only, because it's a cutout image here, you will have a transparent PNG. And then it's just as simple as clicking Export and choosing where you want to save that PNG. So to save a transparent PNG, make sure that if you export, you choose the Selection Only area. And of course, this will work with any already cut out image. So that's the way you can save transparent PNGs in Affinity Photo 2. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.